Hi and welcome back to Talk About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can manage language on Instagram. Maybe you want to change language on Instagram to your preferred language but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can manage language on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then in here, you will be directed into this Instagram homepage. From here, you will see your Instagram profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Tap on it. And then in here, you'll be directed to your profile page. From here, simply tap on these three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, select Settings and Privacy. From here, you have to scroll down and you'll see here the languages. Simply tap on this language. And then here, you can see here that this language is set on English. You can change it to any language you want by choosing one. For example, you want to change it to Filipino, simply tap on this Filipino. And as you can see, the Instagram language is now changed. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage your language on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage your language on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.